In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. So first of all, open up your Coinbase app and then from here click on transfer at the bottom right, and now you need to click on receive crypto. And in this screen, you need to select the asset that you want to transfer. So go ahead and select it. You can also click on the search bar and search for it. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to show it with Ethereum. So I'm going to select Ethereum from here. And now I'm going to select the network. And in this step, it's really important that you match the network from the sending and receiving wallet, because if you do not do this, then your crypto might get lost. So I'm just going with the default one for Ethereum. And now I have my wallet address in here. So let's copy this to our clipboard and now open Robinhood to paste in this wallet address. So from our Robinhood app, we're going to click on the three stripes at the top left. And from here, we're going to click on the send option. Once we do that, we can select the crypto that we want to send. So go ahead and select it from here. And I'm just doing it with Ethereum. So I'm going to click on Ethereum again. And now you can scan a QR code or you can enter an address manually down below. So I'm going to click on this. And now I'm going to paste in the wallet address from Coinbase. And after I'm going to click on continue. Once you have that done, you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. So I'm just going with $2. So I'm going to click on review. And once I do that, I will see the details of this transaction. You will also see the fees, and I'm okay with everything. So I'm just going to click on submit down below. And then you need to verify this with your passcode or your Face ID. So let's go ahead and click on submit. And now, as you can see, we're sending Ethereum. So our transfer is processing. Now we can just click on done. And let's open our Coinbase to see if it's already in there. So Coinbase has already received the crypto in the wallet. So it almost happened instantly. So now you know how to send crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.